Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, December 4, 2023. The police will be going after criminals this Christmas season as the National Security Minister warns those intent on committing crimes that they will be apprehended and face swift consequences for their actions. Dr. Horace Chang gave the warning during a recent function at the Office of the Police Commissioner.
Take note, these men are not afraid, and they're coming out for them. Those who would like to give trouble. They'll find them, they'll bring them in. The criminals understand we are equipping the police and we're going to take them on and we're going to win and defeat them and get them off the road.
The minister's comments were echoed by Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, who declared that the police would be highly visible throughout the country over the festive season to ensure the safety and security of citizens.
We will be having our robust traffic enforcement team out there. So for persons who are intent on creating mayhem or commit crimes within that season, we just want to remind them that the Jamaica Constabulary Force will be out, and we will be doing everything that we can and we're empowered to do to ensure that citizens who want to go about their businesses on a daily basis, they are able to do so safely.
In the meantime, the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch PSTEB of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been given 74 brand new motorcycles to expand its mobility. Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang handed over the units, valued at approximately $64 million on Friday.
So this morning event is to give the public not only the assurance that we are committed to equipping the police, but that we are giving them some assurance to better public order when they go out there.
Their addition brings the total number of motorcycles under the PSTEB to 435. Minister Chang says it's part of over $300 million spent on motorcycles for the JCF's quick response team since 2018.
And we expect that in due course security will be in all parishes. They're in the critical areas at this point in time. They're in the corporate area, St. Catherine North and South, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. James and St. Anne. And we look forward to quickly going to Hanover and St. Mary, and in due course the entire island.
The Ministry of Health is again urging Jamaicans to take precautions against mosquito bites as the country now confirms over 1,000 dengue fever cases. Up to Thursday, November 30, there were 1,301 confirmed dengue cases in Jamaica. At the same time, there are now a total of 12 dengue-related deaths, 8 classified as suspected and 4 as confirmed. Dengue serotypes 2, 3, and 4 have been identified among the population, but serotype 2 remains the dominant strain. All parishes are observing increased cases, with Kingston and St. Andrew reporting the most. But St. Thomas continues to have the highest infection rate, followed by Portland, Trelawney, and Manchester. The highest number of cases continues to be observed in the 5 to 14-year-old cohort at a rate of 623.1 cases per 100,000 population. While dengue fever is a mosquito-borne disease that is usually mild, persons are reminded that it can progress to severe dengue. Persons experiencing fever, vomiting, severe abdominal pain, bleeding under the skin, feeling very weak, or getting confused are to seek immediate medical attention. For mild dengue, rest and adequate hydration is recommended, with acetaminophen or paracetamol for treatment of the fever. Persons should, however, avoid aspirin, diclofenac, ibuprofen, or any of the medications or pain relievers known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These have been known to increase the severity of the disease. To minimize the risk of contracting dengue, members of the public are urged to monitor water storage containers for mosquito breeding, keep their surroundings free of debris, destroy or treat potential mosquito breeding sites, wear protective clothing, and use a DEET-containing mosquito repellent. In other health news, the ministry has conducted over 2,000 health tests benefiting more than 400 residents in and around Junction St. Elizabeth. The event, which was held at Pines Plaza in Junction, included screenings for hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, HIV, syphilis, and body mass index, as well as vision and oral health services, among others. It was the second in a series of major health screenings being staged by the ministry in conjunction with the Southern Regional Health Authority and St. Elizabeth Health Department. The screenings are part of the Know Your Numbers campaign, being implemented to get more Jamaicans to find out their health status and risks to make more informed decisions about their health.
A lot of people are walking around with diabetes. We call it sugar, and they don't know until one day they reach the doctor and the doctor say the kidney not function, or you have poor circulation and you have to cut off the leg or cut off the hand. If they had known the numbers, if they knew that they had high blood pressure, if they knew that they were prone to diabetes, then the doctor could give you medication, change your diet, tell you to exercise, and all of a sudden you'd bring things under control.
The Know Your Numbers campaign is being taken across the island, encouraging all Jamaicans to get screened. Besides this, Jamaicans are being encouraged to do regular health screenings and checkups at least once yearly. And finally, government is continuing its digital transformation with plans to develop a One Jamaica app that will provide a virtual space to access multiple services. Minister with responsibility for skills and digital transformation, Senator Dana Morris-Dixon, says this will allow the different services throughout government to be collated, providing easier access for citizens. She was speaking at the second annual Government of Jamaica Technology Showcase held at the AC Hotel in New Kingston recently.
Everybody's doing a lot of fantastic things, but one of the things with this showcase is it says we need to be a little bit more joined up than we are. We have a lot of standalone apps. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to collapse some of the apps into a Jamaica app, a One Jamaica app where you can do many services with the government? That's the vision, and that's what we'll be working towards through our ICT authority, which is eGov Transformed.
Senator Morris-Dixon says other digital service upgrades will begin soon.
Starting in early 2024, the Jamaica Post will begin the delivery of motor vehicle registration documents across the nook and cranny of Jamaica, so you don't have to stand up and wait. They will deliver it. That's what Jamaica Post is doing, and that will be coming on stream very soon.
Senator Morris-Dixon also welcomed the RGD's pilot rollout of birth certificates in Braille starting this month. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.